We're excited to be running a series of workshops this summer at the Hive in Worcester. Are you self-employed? Are you returning to work after taking time out? Would you like to improve your interpersonal skills? Our fun, interactive workshops will give you the skills you need to thrive, whatever life throws at you. All these workshops will be held within the wonderful venue of the Hive in Worcester, and tickets will be available at www.eventbrite.co.uk. Stretch Armstrong Agile Working Workshop, the 14th of May, 10 till 12, £25. Head equals MC square. Emotional Intelligence Workshop, 11th of June, 10 till 12, £25. Not all heroes wear capes. Employability Workshop, 16th of July, 10 till 12. July workshop is dedicated to students that have graduated within the last 2 years and would like to achieve their potential. Weathering the Storm Mental Health Awareness Workshop, 13th of August, 10 till 12, £25. If you would like to find out more, contact us www.advanceyourwellbeing.co.uk. Email marie.jenkins@advanceevents.co.uk or telephone us 0758 347 4539.